Welcome friends, welcome to this video on Introduction to Prerana eBooks app. First of all, I will introduce myself. Myself Kamlesh Gurubakshani, popularly known as Kamlesh Guru. After working in LIC as a development officer for 30 years, in April 2019, I opted for VRS with a mission to empower LIC advisors with knowledge to ensure their retention and enhance this public image. And to achieve this mission, I have launched this Prerana eBooks app for empowerment of advisors, development officers and SBS. This app has been launched to provide solution to 5 problem areas which the agents are facing today. The number 1 problem they are facing is they are wasting lots of time in search of forms and charts on various social media platforms. This app provides you all the NB, PS and claim forms at your fingertips. That will save your lot of time which you can utilize for other productive works. Number 2, I have seen that a lot of advisors are not confident about plan features, conditions and concepts. This induction training books provides you the complete details of plan features and conditions which will increase your confidence to face the prospects and resolve all their objections and sell confidently. Number 3, we have seen a lot of proposals are getting delayed due to non-submission of the requirements. The underwriting rules in these books provides you with latest information so that you can introduce the proposals with all requirements and complete it very quickly and get your commissions. Number 4, lot of agents are missing their club memberships due to shortage in small number of lives or commission. The book on club memberships gives you complete details of the rules, gives you roadmap how to qualify for the club membership quite easily and also take advantages of various advances and benefits available under the club memberships. And number 5, how to sell the big ticket plans, that is Jeevan Umang, Bima Shri and Jeevan Shiromani. Some exclusive features are given which you can highlight to the prospect and sell with confidence and increase your commission rates by selling the same number of plans. So this with 5 objectives, the Prerana eBooks app has been launched. So I'm sure that this will surely help you to save your time, sell with confidence, complete your proposal much faster, qualify for the club memberships with ease and increase your ticket size. And be confident about facing the customers and reply to their queries. Wish you all the success and happy selling.